Tháinig críochtaí macht le céad sé suirlíon cahal mar bhainisteoir Hibredáin ar chuir galamh stop lá mí meitheamh. Le Lion Gairig dair le Henry Shefton ar bhainisteoireachs tréanálaí Hibredáin éimná sé a bheile le róla lachar ar an bhainisteocht na Galibhe. Gá arn sa tóir fachta sí rathúla, cuch cobhach an lábh an ótar nuair le céile.
Last year's championship as well is still very raw in our minds, and we need to start trying to fix what went wrong on that particular day.
You want to find a few players because the last couple of years we haven't been good enough. So there's 9 new players. You're hoping that a few of those will really cement their places on the team and we get a really depth in our panel. There's no greater challenge than coming to Thurles and facing the tip team in their home ground.
Classiach danning as tá Willie Connor's fós tá bheisach gróid róthar éanaar ag gróid Connor na gúilí oscailte ag Willie bhfuil sé fad a glóchan an trasnánach lana manamach go bhfuil Michael Breen chuircha go díolig a siúd agus Seinnteoir Árann asar fad ó heb na láimh deise again gapdain.
Once you cross the white lines, it's very much over to the players to bring their performances to it.
Connor Wade or event kept against scores in the clár.
We have, a really healthy, competitive panel at the moment, and fellas that are fully committed to the cause.
Cosíocht danning as tá sé sástal in a chulín Seinnteoir in nachar cúignomut ag Marcio.
We were on the ropes there for a while around the middle part of the second half. I say Galway tacked on about 6 scores in a row.
Tá Boston to get lead the Henning agus Seinnteoir on the bra o Gavin Lee. Tá the border Choharach against Sean Linan.
It's still very early days for Eamon, but he's, since he's joined, he's been a breath of fresh air, to be honest.
Teams are going to get those purple patches in games as well, but thankfully the likes of Gar stood up front and we fought that back pint by pint.
Agus Gilóid O'Connor buaicphointí the Breathnaigh initial. Tamáinteach ag an chéadchúil agus nach trahúil go ben le chafuirde. Agus tá na pointí sa ár de heilothe agus the Tipperary.
We're just delighted that we finished the game strong, and we'll march on now in 2 weeks' time.
They're giving us all the right vibes that they're prepared to kick on and be proper senior hurlers for Tipperary.